Hi guys, have a good day. Now we are looking about the hypothesis test, that particularly we are using the z-test one sample. So how we can use it? So first of all, we are starting from the importing the packages, some required packages. So first I just import data set. Okay, for importing the data set we are using the pandas. Import pandas as PD. Then for import NP numpy. Then for the statistical purpose, from scipy import stats. Then it's a last packages from stats model dot import, then weight stats as tests. Okay, now we are executing the packages. So first one is import pandas as PD, import numpy as NP, from scipy import stats, from stats models. So I just put the stat models, then stats import weight stats as ztest. So just shift enter. Now we are just loading the data. I'm using the CSV file data, read underscore CSV. That's my file location. I think it's there's a cardio good fitness. Just copy as path. So this is our data. So we are using only one sample from this data. Its name is age. So I just get the age from this data. Now this is the age columns. Okay, then next I just want to know the mean of these ages. So totally I have the 180 records. So this is the main reason to using the t-test, because our sample size is more than 30, we are using the t-test. If it is less than 30, we are using the if it's more than 30, we are using the z-test. The less than 30, we are using the t-test. Okay, so now I'll just find out the mean of these ages. Numpy is a np dot mean age. So now just like the print in. So our average age is 28.78888 something. So we are just creating the z-test model, z-test p-value equal to yes t test or z test. From the data I am choosing the age, then the value. So this is our assumptions value. So here my assumption hypothesis is like the 30. If my average age is 30, just we will check it now. Print float p-value. Okay, then so while so we have the possibilities only for the 1.92% possibilities if we get the value of 30. So because our actual value is 28.788. okay, so now you are find out the hypothesis result. P-value less than 0.05. Intent print. If the p-value is less than 0.05, we can reject the null hypothesis, or otherwise else we are accepting the null hypothesis. So just we have reject the null hypothesis. Yes, this is not a correct value for the data mean, because the actual value is, then also the right value is 28.788. So if I just put the 28, okay, so it's some different possibilities. It's a 12.74, but also the accepting the null hypothesis. If I put the 29, it's a 68% of possibilities. Okay, then also it can be accepting the null hypothesis. So now guys, this is a one sample z-test. So again I explain it. So if you want to choose the t-test or z-test by the value count of n, is like the observations value. So we have the 180 rows. So our record count is 180, is like the more than 30. So we are choosing the z-test. So for the z-test we are using these packages. Okay, for reading the file we are using the pandas, and to find out the mean by using the numpy. Okay, so we get the only one sample from this data. The sample name is age. So we already find that actual mean value is 28.788. So this is a true value. So here I put my assumption values. Okay, so then you get the final result of if the p-value is less than 0.05, the null hypothesis is rejected. So otherwise you are accepting the null hypothesis. Okay guys, thank you, bye bye.